told me that you can find jewels in haunted places.
But look, man, I was posing, man. How the fuck did you get up out that shit? You remember when we went in there for that jewel for that 100 house?
Yeah.
How the fuck did you get up out that shit? I came back in there. I could have swore I seen you dead, man.
Well, see, what happened, I fell out. I passed out. The next thing I know, I finally just woke up and didn't see nobody. Now,
Ever since they found me down there in the woods, they just think I'm crazy. I tried to tell them that there's ghosts down there, but I've been down there trying to find the jewel that everybody's telling me about. I know it's there. I was told that they just keep thinking I'm crazy, want to put me in the crazy hospital and stuff. But if they hadn't found me, I'd have probably died. But I was looking for that jewel, and I'm gonna find it one day too.
Later! It's later! It's later! It's later! It's later!